Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So the Google Chrome site search saga continues. And just to do a quick recap for the purpose of this video. If we open up a web page, as many of you will know by now, Google Chrome has a default feature called site search, which is found as a little icon in the top right of the omnibox and the address bar. And also, if we head to our site panel, appears here in the unified drop-down menu of the site panel. And if we click on the site search icon, it opens up the search in the site panel and lets you view a page and the search results simultaneously. Now, for a lot of users, this is a handy multitasking feature. But as I have seen on the channel over the last year or so, for a lot of users, in the comments, they have said that this is not a very useful feature and is obviously just bloatware and clutter. Now, over the last year, as I have been posting, there have been experimental flags available to disable the site search in Google Chrome for desktop. And I've posted quite a few videos where it was possible, then it wasn't possible, then it was possible, then it wasn't possible. And the last video I posted around about the middle of March, I said it was possible again to disable site search in Google Chrome. And in that video, we used the experimental flag called Search Web in Site Panel. Now, over the last couple of weeks, maybe the last 2 weeks or so, it's come to my attention in the comments that that flag once again does not work to disable the site search in Google Chrome for desktop. And this is common because, as I've mentioned quite a couple of times on this channel, experimental flags are not options, they are experiments. So Google can disable them at any time. So that's the case what's happened once again. So I have fiddled around after seeing those comments, and once again, we can actually use the original experimental flag to disable the site search now in the stable version of Google Chrome, which is currently sitting on version 115, soon to be upgraded next week to version 116. Now, to get to the experimental flag, as always, we head up to our omnibox and we enter chrome://flags. And the easiest to bring up the site search flag is just to type in site search. There we go. And the description for the flag reads, enables an easily accessible way to access your most recent Google search results page embedded in a browser site panel. Now you can see it's set to default because it's a default feature. So what we have to do is we have to change that once again from default to disabled. Then we'll have to relaunch the stable version of Google Chrome to apply that flag. Now we can see the site search flag is disabled. Now if I head back to my desktop and I do the same search for the Wikipedia page, we can see now that the site search icon has been removed from the top right of the omnibox. And if we head to the site panel for the unified drop-down menu, it's also been removed from that menu. So once again, that's how you can disable the site search in Google Chrome for desktop. But just a quick side note once again. Next week, as I mentioned, Google is upgrading the browser to version 116 because currently we are sitting on version 115. And at this stage, at the time of posting this video, the site search flag and disabling that flag does remove the feature from the browser. So it's possible that next week, when version 116 rolls out, that this may not work anymore. But obviously, if it doesn't, just let me know in the comments, and then obviously I'll try and find another solution after that to disable it again. So that's how you can disable site search once again in the Google Chrome web browser for desktop. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.